Hi, I'm Russ Heaps, and today I'm in Las Lunas, New Mexico, which is about 20 miles south of Albuquerque. I'm sitting in the kitchen of Jessie. Over 65 years, she's probably made thousands of grilled cheese sandwiches. And in this segment, she's going to tell us just 3 things we need to know about how to craft the classic grilled cheese sandwich.
Hi, I'm Jessie, and I have been making grilled cheese sandwiches for 65 years. I always use American cheese. Kids don't like Gouda or goat cheese or some other cheese. They want American cheese. It's the best. The second thing is you need to butter the sandwiches on both sides of the bread, and also put butter in the pan. That makes them especially good. And the third thing is you need to check them often to make sure they aren't getting over browned. You want them to be, the cheese to be melty and to taste really good. And that's 3 things you need to know about making grilled cheese sandwiches.
And there you have it. Just 3 things you need to know from an expert about how to craft a grilled cheese sandwich. See you next time.